Search online at bmwfremont.com. Stock number H.
You gotta be shitting me.
00643 MSRP 32986. Short-term financing available with approved credit on.
Back into a song.
Oh my God.
It's cool. I got his fucking license plate.
Oh, what the fuck? That's what he got. Jesus fucking Christ.
They're just gonna it's gonna validate. What is this? What the fuck is going on?
I have no idea.
Did he steal the car?
No, I think he saw me coming and tried to like rush at you. I don't think he
Fuck
stole
his
it.
axle.
It got hot down here. I turned the air off. I said I was going to turn the air on. No, it's fine. I can sweat for a bit. Alright. Whatever, dude. Yeah, keep it cool. A lot of people down here.
Sorry, guy. Fucking fucker.
Come on, dog.
Goal darn it.
Us going overseas, it'll be in the United States for sure.
Right. Would you be okay with fighting him in New York?
No, I don't think so. Nah, I did the hometown things before. my last fight I fought Zepeda in LA, which is his hometown. The good thing about LA is I used to live there, so it was his hometown. He's from there, but I used to live there, so I had a lot of support also. But I don't think I would want to, go to New York because I'm basically I call shot too. I'm a champion. He's a champion and I'm a champion. So I think that with that you do that on the neutral ground. I learned my mistake already before with the Josh Taylor thing, going all the way to the UK. And I was a champion, #1 seed, and I went there, which was, a bad business decision.
You regret that?
Yeah, for sure. I don't think I should. I still, the fight, I don't regret the fight, but, because I became better and I became hungry